Hello everyone, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 33. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. The first word that I have for you is supercilious. Supercilious means a person who is overbearing, proud and haughty. Its Hindi meaning is ghamandi. Now look at its sentence. The lady was supercilious. Its synonym is arrogant. The next word is misanthrope. Friends, it's not misanthrope. Its correct pronunciation is misanthrope. It means a person who hates mankind. लोगों से नफरत करने वाला. Its sentence is, I am not a misanthrope. Its synonym is cynic. Look at our next word, impetuous. Impetuous means a person who acts suddenly and without thought. Its Hindi meaning is aviveki. Now look at its sentence. He is so impetuous. Its synonym is impulsive. Look at our next word, pugnacious. Friends, pugnacious means a person who is eager to fight. In Hindi you can say jhagdalu. Now look at its sentence. I found him pugnacious. Its synonym is quarrelsome. The next word is rapacious. Repeat after me, rapacious. It means a person having a grasping nature, or you can say greedy. Its Hindi meaning is lalchi. Now its sentence, the officers were rapacious. Its synonym is avaricious. The next word is malicious. Friends, malicious means a person who is full of malice or ill will. Its Hindi meaning is dusht. Now look at its sentence. They are malicious. Its synonym is hostile. The next word is insidious. Insidious means a person who does harm secretly. Its Hindi meaning is kapti या फिर धोखेबाज. Now look at its sentence. He was insidious. Its synonym is cunning. Look at our next word, petulant. Friends, petulant means a person who is bad-tempered. Its Hindi meaning is chidchida. Now look at its sentence. Sohan is a petulant little boy. Its synonym is peevish. Moving to our next word, hypocrite. Friends, hypocrite means a person who is feigning to be what he is not. Its Hindi meaning is pakhandi. Now look at its sentence. He was a hypocrite. Its synonym is pretender. Last but not least is taciturn. Friends, taciturn means a person who is habitually silent or reserved. Its Hindi meaning is खामोश या फिर अल्पभाषी. Now look at its sentence. He was a taciturn person. Its synonym is untalkative. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of hostile? A. Petulant. B. Malicious. C. Impetuous, D. Hypocrite. Give me answer of this question in comment box.